Aloha my kako ukulele friends, and thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I wanted to go ahead and provide you guys with kind of a bonus instructional video, and I'm sure you guys have already seen the description of this video, and we wanted to go ahead and cover the chuck technique. And I know there's a lot of videos on YouTube, and hopefully I can demystify the technique of the chuck. For those of you who don't know what the chuck is, it's basically a muting of the strings with your right hand, with the palm. Okay, I'll show you a little bit of what that sounds like. Okay, I'll show you what it sounds like in a song context. Actually, more of a percussive technique than an actual strumming playing technique. But to do the chuck, all you have to do is you're basically muting the strings with the palm of the fleshy part of the palm of your hand. Okay, so I want to try to illustrate that real quick. In the strumming motion, when you're strumming with your index finger, okay, you're still gonna do that. Okay, but you're also going to, in that same motion, you're also going to mute the strings, okay? So you're gonna strum across all the strings like this. And you see how my wrist is doing this kind of natural turning technique right here? It's already doing this, right? It's already turning. Well, in that turning motion, you wanna go ahead and mute the strings right around this area right here. I'd say like right in this 5 to 6 fret area right here, okay, where the body of the ukulele meets the fretboard. Okay, so see that motion there? And I think what a lot of people have problems with is when they see a chuck technique and they see this muting of the strings, they actually want to do 2 separate motions. I see a lot of people doing this. I see a lot of people doing and then going like that. That's actually 2 motions. When you do a chuck, you want to do it in 1 motion, okay? You want to go. Striking across like that, and you're muting like that, okay? Like anything, you want to go ahead and practice this. You're not going to get it probably the first time. What I would do is I would just do the chuck by itself, okay? Like this. I would do this for as long as you can. As long as you can tolerate it, and as long as your neighbors can tolerate it. So until you get that 100%, only then would I go ahead and incorporate it into an actual strum. And then maybe do something very simple, like just a down, up, chuck, down, up, chuck, down, up, chuck, down, up, chuck, and then then make it a little bit more complex. Up, down, up, chuck, up, down, up, chuck, up, down, up, chuck. Up, down, up, chuck, up, down, up, chuck. Up, down, up, chuck, up, down, up, chuck, up, down, up, chuck, up, down, up, chuck, up, down. Maybe speed it up. And then, and then kind of, I would go ahead and basically experiment, And then I will go ahead and try to see what songs this strum sounds good in. For example, on my last video, it was Helion to Kauai. Helion to Kauai was basically a simple island strum, which is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. There's a place that I recall, not too big, in fact it's kinda small, okay? And that's a simple down, down, up, down, up strum, okay? If you can reimagine it with a chuck in there and do sort of more, maybe like a reggae strum, it would sound like this. There's a place that I recall, not too big, in fact it's kinda small. The people there, they got it all, simple life for me. Mele on to Kauai, on the River Bay, Waiʻukulele Valley is where I used to play. Canyons of Waimea, standing all alone. Magic of the garden isle is calling me back home. And you see how that kind of just gives it a little bit more oomph and a little bit more life, makes people want to get up and dance. So I hope this was a little bit more, I hope this video was helpful in helping you demystify the chuck, and I hope I was able to provide a little bit more insight on that motion and how you can get a nice percussive sound to your strumming and your ukulele playing. And if you like these types of videos, if you want me to do more of these videos, go ahead and comment down below. Once again, thank you so much. If you want to know more information about me, you can go to www.stevenespaniola.com, and you can also check out my Instagram page at @stevenespaniola. Thank you so much, ukulele friends, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Hui ho and malamapono.